This is categorized as a living challenge for white, but what white really needs to do is to try to capture black right here on the side. Of course, you can calculate if there are moves that white can make to kill black on the corner, but that's much harder or even impossible. Doesn't look very promising. Of course, feel free to try. And of course, there's this move. Maybe it's a bug in the problem design, but crawling here on the first line and second line is not a good idea. So let's look at the side and see if white can actually kill this black group. And to do that, white must make use of black's shortage of liberties. The first move can be here. It's actually really sharp because if black ignores it, this will be a snapback. And if black captures, white can stand down. And this way, this is definitely not enough ice space for black. And white has so many liberties on the outside, so white will definitely win this race to capture. Right? Black cannot come in here. So black's best bet is probably this, but it doesn't help. White can play this Atari and make this into a fake eye, and white will succeed after number 5. And there's really nothing else black can do, right? This is not really a ko. White can still play here. And because white has so many liberties on the outside, these kos are not going to be a big problem for white. So black will be short. Of course, potentially there are other moves as well. We can try this move to see if it works. And the other moves are potentially complicated. Right? If you play this might be wrong, I think, right? Because this way, black will be able to make a living shape. Or this way, right? So white still needs to be a little careful. If you play here, I think it's the same result. Black will be able to live. But I think as long as white plays here, or maybe even here, you can try it out on your own, white should be able to capture black. So overall, pretty straightforward. Difficulty will be medium, I guess. As always, let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.